special bike with no pedals. It makes it easier for you to ride on. Are you gonna go that way? Go that way.
Straight.
Don't run into the island. You have to turn the handlebars so you don't run into it.
One.
Yeah, there you go. And now turn the handlebars this way and you can go around the island. Turn them that way. Keep walking. Turn, turn, turn.
Turn.
Keep turning, keep turning. Good job. You're doing so good.
Bike.
You're riding your bike.
Wheels.
With wheels.
Awesome. Nice job.